Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Chrome Remote Desktop. Let's get into it. First, go to the Remote Desktop website. The first step is to visit the place where the tool lives so you can start the setup on your main computer. Open your web browser and go to the Chrome Remote Desktop website. Look for the section that says Set up Remote Access and click the download button. Next, give your computer a name. You need to pick a name for your computer so you can find it easily later when you are using a different device. After the download is finished, a box will pop up asking for a name. Type in a simple name, like My Home Computer for your setup. If you have more than one computer, giving them clear names helps you pick the right one. Next, create your secret PIN. Now you need to choose a secret number that will keep your computer safe from other people. Enter a number that is at least 6 digits long into the box. Type the same number again to make sure it is correct. This is the most important part. This number is your key. Only people who know this secret number can see your screen. It ensures your connection stays private and secure. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.